In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily backup chat history in Telegram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Telegram app on an iPhone or on an Android smartphone. After that, once the Telegram is open, we need to head over to Settings. On Settings, just scroll down until you find Data and Storage. And here we need to search for Automatic Media Download Box, where we got a couple of options here using cellular and using Wi-Fi, and now we need to configure both of them. First off, I'm gonna enter using cellular, and that's where, first of all, we need to make sure that it is turned on. And then we need to drag this slider to high. This allows us to maximize data usage to save history from chats, and also down below here we can customize the types of media. Let's say we can get into photos, and here we can configure for which types of contacts we would like to enable auto download photos for. We can select contacts, other private chats, group chats, and channels. And then we can also configure stories, videos. Here we can select maximum video size to be saved to our device's cache. We can drag it to the right or to the left. By default it is set to 15 megabytes. However, we can increase it up to 1.5 GB. And also we can enable or disable preload larger videos option. And the same about files. Here we can also configure maximum file size by dragging this slider back and forth. And basically the same about using Wi-Fi. We can in the same way set it to high, and also we can configure each of these options too. That's how we can easily backup chat history in Telegram from Telegram cloud to our device. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.